Good morning, students. I am Naveen Kumar, teacher of social science in history of class 8, chapter 2. Now we will discuss next topic of this chapter, that is East India Company begins trade in Bengal. This is the टॉपिक। बच्चों, इस टॉपिक के अंतर्गत हम लोग देखेंगे कि किस तरह से ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी बंगाल में ट्रेड करना शुरू कर दी। इसके लिए सबसे पहले कंपनी अपना ट्रेडिंग सेंटर, जो फैक्ट्री कहलाता था, स्थापित की और वहीं से ट्रेड को नियंत्रित करती थी। द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश फैक्ट्री was set up on the banks of river Hooghly in 1651. This was the base from which companies, traders operated. Next, in 1696, company began building a fort around the settlement. Third thing, two years later, it bribed Mughal officials for giving the company zamindari rights over 3 villages. Among them, one village was Kalikata. Now it has been developed as a metropolitan city of India. This is Kolkata. Next, company also persuaded the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb to issue a farman granting the company the right to trade duty free in Bengal. In this way, company had now the right to do trade duty free in Bengal. Aurangzeb's farman had granted only the company the right to trade duty free, but company officials also began to take benefits through this right. They began to do private trade and they started to make their own profit. In this way, Bengal lost too much revenue, and after that, after the death of Aurangzeb, the next Nawab of Bengal or the rulers of Bengal were not agreed with this free trade, and conflict started. About this we will discuss in detail in next topic. Now here in this topic we have discussed some important things. First, the factory. What was called factory? It may be given in question. It was the base from which companies, traders operated. Second thing, the factory had a warehouse where goods for exporting were stored. Third thing, it had the office where the company officials sat and controlled the trade. In this way, factory was the center or base from which or from where company controlled the traders and trade activities. Another term is also important here, that is farman. This term is used here and it is given in box also. Royal order. Mughal emperor gave order, and such order was called farman, and a farman was issued by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb to the company also, which we have already discussed. बच्चों, इस तरह से ये कंपनी, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी बंगाल में ट्रेड करना शुरू की और फ्री ट्रेड की अनुमति औरंगजेब से ले ली, और फिर उसके बाद और भी सुविधाएं लेने की कोशिश करने लगी। और औरंगजेब के इस फरमान से कंपनी ऑफिसर सब फायदा उठाने लगे और अपना पैसा बनाने लगे, जिससे बंगाल का ट्रेजरी खाली होने लगा, और इसके कारण बंगाल और कंपनी के बीच आगे औरंगजेब के डेथ के बाद कन्फ्लिक्ट होने लगा। इसके बारे में हम लोग इस टॉपिक के बाद दूसरे टॉपिक में डिटेल से डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।